This massive fifth wheel has 2 full bedrooms. I showed this unit a while back, but you know, it's a pretty gnarly one, so we're gonna show it again. Good size pass-through in here. You might as well call this the 3rd bedroom. The other side of this pass-through does have your outdoor shower. It has your water connections. We also have an on-demand hot water heater, so you'll have endless hot water, endless hot showers. This honker is 11,246 pounds dry and 39 feet 3 inches tongue to bumper. Solid outdoor camp kitchen out here. We got a nice little mini fridge and a flat top griddle. Around the back, you got your 2-inch receiver hitch, a ladder to your fully walkable roof, your backup camera ready, and you got some external storage out here. We're gonna come in this rear door. We have a rear bathroom, porcelain foot flush down there, and a little vanity. Here's our rear bedroom. Down here, full-size bed. Come up this ladder, and we have another full-size bunk. Wowie zowie. It's pretty cool up here. You got a pretty good view. Huge mirrored wardrobe space next to your bed, and then underneath, you do have a ton of storage space. The little door back there is the same one outside in the back. Entering this door, we'll find our luxurious living area. Wowie zowie. Dual theater recliners in front of our entertainment center. We got a nice 50-inch TV, electric fireplace. Sound system here connects to the speakers above and the ones outside. This center island is exquisite. Nice deep sink on here, detachable faucet. Directly behind, we have a nice booth dinette. This can be converted into sleeping. Bada bing, now you got a little bed here for your guests. And if you want to get spicy in here, feel free to dim the lights. Kitchen area has a 3-burner gas stove, little oven, and a microwave up top. This is a nice big microwave. Oh, this Furrion fridge is pretty neat, I suppose. And then over yonder, we do have a huge pantry. Tons and tons of space on both sides of this, John. Coming up the stairs, right here on our left, we have our in-command system. This is a little iPad thingy. You can control all your lights, your slides, your awnings. Turn them all off at the push of a button. We got a pass-through bathroom here going into the master bedroom. Another porcelain foot flush, corner shower. Continuing into the bedroom, nice mirrored wardrobe glide here. Queen bed underneath. We have more storage. Front windshield is very nice for stargazing. You and your honey baby can get some great views out of this thing. And if you'd like to mount a TV right here, you can do so. You got satellite and cable hookups and power outlets. If you got any questions on this honker, don't hesitate to give me a call. The number is in the bio.